Welcome to our video exploring the India's economic activity levels in March and the outlook for the future. Despite an 8-month streak of rising interest rates, India's overall activity tracker remains relatively unchanged for the third month in a row. With the economy stalled and Reserve Bank of India pausing rate increases, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has acknowledged her government's efforts to keep the economy buoyant in the face of global pressures. Let's break down the 8 indicators that make up the India's overall animal spirits tracker. Business activity remains moderately strong, with purchasing managers' surveys noting an improvement in manufacturing activity due to a more reliable supply of raw materials. In services, activity remained mostly unchanged, with the composite index registering 58.4 in March. On the flip side, exports dropped 13.9% in March, marking the 4th consecutive month of decline. With the global economy decreasing, headwinds are beginning to weigh on exports. Luckily, consumer activity remained relatively strong. The banking system is flush with liquidity and tax collections rose 13% compared to last year. However, new vehicle registrations slowed to 14%. It's interesting to note that electronics exports rose 57%, possibly due to Apple Incorporated setting up shop in India and opening company-owned stores this week. Finally, we can examine market sentiment. While electricity consumption has seen a drop, temperatures are on the rise, which could increase power demand in the coming months. Unfortunately, unemployment has increased. In conclusion, the activity spirits tracker remains relatively stable for the third month in a row. With efforts from the government and some strong consumer data, India remains optimistic. However, a decrease in exports and an increase in unemployment dampen the outlook. Although times are tough, the future could be looking brighter in the months to come.